In a winter that has been so quiet, we finally have several things to talk about. First would be the alert overnight for freezing rain, especially north of Indianapolis. I'll define that in a second. A wet day Saturday, but turning mild. That means it will just be in the form of rain. And then on Sunday, we turn it the other way. Much colder air arrives. I want to show you where the advisory is in effect until 9 a.m. technically. I think the warmer air will win out before that, even north of Indianapolis. As far as your morning temperatures in Indy, just above the freezing mark and beginning a slow climb. That slow climb will be significant by the end of the day, with temperatures pushing that 50-degree mark in the metro area. On Sunday, falling temperatures. Don't be fooled by the 38, because by late in the day, temperatures will be in the lower 20s. Here's the way Saturday plays out. Improvement in the temperature category, meaning any light freezing rain that occurs even to the north will become just a puddle, as we have rain and temperatures middle to upper 40s in the afternoon. This is Sunday, 11 a.m., just before the Colts game. 1 o'clock, snow approaching Terre Haute, Lafayette, and Peru, sweeping quickly through the metro area and to the east after that. Some light accumulation expected across central Indiana, and falling temperatures with strong winds. How about that? 21 by the time we get to the evening hours. So, as the Colts run up the score on the Bengals, the temperature will be going down. Next week, Arctic air. Tuesday, some light snow, 1 to 3 inch snowfall potential. That's a lot considering we only had a tenth of an inch in December. 20 below wind chills on Wednesday, and then morning low temperatures Thursday, 0 to 5 below actual temperatures. Stay with us all weekend long. We'll have updates for you at theindychannel.com.